Are you looking to organize your SuiteDash client communications efficiently? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through some solid strategies to help streamline your client interactions in SuiteDash and make your workflows smoother. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share a few alternatives that might just take your client communication to the next level, plus an exclusive free trial offer for our viewers. Let's dive in. First off, SuiteDash offers a lot of customization for communication, but it's important to understand where things can get overwhelming. Between messages, emails, tasks, and notifications, things can pile up quickly if you're not careful. That's where organizing comes into play. Next, let's talk about customizing your communication channels. SuiteDash allows you to integrate email, chat, and even client portals all in one place. But here's the catch: too many channels can make things confusing. The key is to centralize your messages. Choose one or two primary ways to communicate with clients and make sure those are integrated into the SuiteDash system. Keep email synced and use the chat feature for quick conversations. This reduces the noise and keeps the communication focused. Now, onto the task management features. SuiteDash lets you assign tasks and create to-do lists for both you and your clients. This is critical in keeping everyone on track. You can set due dates, attach notes, and keep track of progress. However, the real issue here is that you can quickly get bogged down in managing these tasks manually. To make things more efficient, use SuiteDash's automated reminders and notifications. Set these up so that you never miss a deadline, and neither do your clients. The fourth thing to keep in mind is client segmentation. SuiteDash allows you to categorize clients into different groups, which helps you tailor communication accordingly. This is great for sending the right messages to the right people at the right time. But here's the downside: if you have a lot of clients, managing these segments can be cumbersome. That's where you need to use filters and tag smartly. Make sure to update them regularly to keep your communication relevant and streamlined. Next, don't forget about the document management system. SuiteDash lets you share documents, contracts, and proposals easily. But here's the thing: organizing these documents can become a nightmare if you're not careful. Use folders and naming conventions that make sense to you and your clients. Create a simple system so that both you and your clients can find what you need without searching for ages. One more thing I want to mention is the client portal. SuiteDash provides a great client portal where clients can access their information, check tasks, and communicate with you. It's fantastic for managing client relationships, but it can also get cluttered quickly if you don't keep things organized. Ensure that you're using the portal's features to control what clients can see and access, and don't forget to personalize it so it's clear and easy for your clients to navigate. Finally, before I wrap things up, I want to bring up an important consideration. While SuiteDash is a powerful tool for organizing client communications, it's not perfect. If you need something with a more intuitive interface or faster workflows, you might find yourself spending more time on SuiteDash than necessary. That's why, in a moment, I'll show you some amazing alternatives that could work better for your needs. Now, if you're interested in SuiteDash and want to get started with an exclusive and extended free trial, we've got you covered. Just use the link in the description below to access this special offer. But don't go just yet. Before you make a decision, I've also included some alternatives that might better suit your goals, and they also come with a free trial. Through our link, you'll get the best trial options and exclusive benefits available only for our viewers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.